Good morning. This is Poppy, and Poppy's going to be unboxing a lovely bundle of books that's arrived from Parragon. Oh, and Theo's going to help. We've just become Parragon book buddies, and this is Parragon's relaunch of their Little Learners range. Play together, learn together, and these books are perfect for babies and toddlers. So let's have a little look what's inside, shall we, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, you gonna have a look, Pops?
No, I can.
You can you, Theo? Okay, you're gonna pull the ribbon then. Oh, hang on. Try that bit. Pull that bit. That's it. Pull. Great. Right, what have we got inside? Oh, wow, a lovely selection. Let's have a look firstly. Oh, what have you got there, Theo? What's that one say? I have little tabs to pull out. So look, this one's called A Ring of Roses, Lights and Sound. Sound and lights even. I'll have to take out the tab.
I want it.
You want that one, do you? See if you can press the buttons. Poppy's mostly interested in the paper at the moment. Wow, did that play a song?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good, isn't it? That's great, isn't it, Theo? Got there, Poppy, what have you found? Apart from the tissue paper, we've got this one. My First Shapes. Touch and Explore. Have a little look at that one. And we've also got this one, which is called Mummy and Me. Has a little tiny elephant inside. That's a finger puppet one. And 1, 2, 3, Count With Me. First number book. Theo's still enjoying the noisy book over there. And the final book that we've got today is Eyes, Nose, Ears and Toes, a peekaboo playbook. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a little play with these, aren't we, Theo? Yeah, already too engrossed to talk to me. And once we've had a little play with them, we'll put a review up on the blog and let you know how we got on. So thank you very much, Parragon. These look great.